So today I am going to show you how to build grids. Grids are commonly used in Indian design, but in the upcoming classes, I will demonstrate how to combine grids with floral patterns to enhance the beauty of the floral henna design. Let me get straight to the point of how to build these grids. People often make mistakes when creating grids. Here I am teaching a technique on how to build these grids. To draw the grids, I usually start by slanting lines with some distance, ensuring that the distance between two parallel slant lines is the same for every line. We will also draw perpendicular slant lines. This will result in a beautiful grid pattern. You can watch in the video how I am creating different patterns. thank you for being part of our learning community. Remember, your dedication to watching all the classes will pay off. So, if you're new, start from the beginning. And if you've been with us, keep going. The adventure from basics to advanced awaits. And I'm excited to guide you every step of the way. Stay curious, stay committed, and let's learn together. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button and check out the previous and next classes in the series. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next class.